In this next question, we have to work out the side labeled B. Let's make that stand out a bit more. B. So we've got to work out the bottom here of this triangle. So we're doing trigonometry. We've got to work out this angle here. Okay. So let's start off by labeling our diagram. Okay. Opposite the angle. Start the angle. Opposite the angle is called the opposite. Opposite the right angle, we call it the hypotenuse. And the leftover side, which is B, is called the adjacent. Now, we want to work out the adjacent, and we have the opposite. So our question is between what we know and what we want to work out. So it's between the opposite and the adjacent. That makes an O and an A sound, which is over, which comes from tower. Now, if you put our little formula triangle together, this one here. Okay, and let's get back to our brush. So we have the T is at the bottom, O is at the top, A is over here. But don't forget, T is not just T, it's tan of the angle. So just tan of angle 4 times. So there's our formula triangle constructed quite quickly and easily. Now, because we want to work out the adjacent, we have to put our finger over the adjacent and cover it up, and that will tell us now what to do. So the adjacent, which is equal to our B, is equal to the opposite divided by the tan of the angle. So it's the opposite divided by the tan of our angle. Okay, so B equals, so what's our opposite? The opposite has a value of 7. We can do over here if you actually like 7 divided by tan of the angle, and the angle is right here, 60, tan of 60. Okay, so we can work that out. Now we grab our trusty Casio calculator, we switch it on, and we use the fraction button, 7 on the top, and then replay, press tan, gives you a free bracket, you put 60 in, close the bracket, and that gives us a value of 7 root 3 over 3. Press SD button, and that gives us a lovely 4.041. So 4.041, blah, 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 blah. Now we need to round off to 1 decimal place. So to do the 1 decimal place, we have to stop here. We look at the next number, that's called our decider. If it's less than 5, we leave everything else alone. So we just copy down 4.0 centimeters, and that gives us the answer, the value of B.